The challenge for today's CEOs is how to achieve present results of revenues for the organization, at the same time transform the organization with AI technology to be ready for future and not losing on implementing this AI technology to remain competitive in the business. So the requirements of CEO or the challenge for CEO is changed, and the AI implementation will start at the top from CEO's AI literacy. Many CEOs may think that they can delegate this AI implementation to someone technical, and then they can just overlook this implementation. But that is not going to work or achieve the desired results. That approach can create fragmented approach towards AI implementation and can incur heavy cost rather than looking at holistic approach of AI implementation to transform complete organization towards improving customer experience, employee productivity, and strategy of the organization. Therefore, in addition to financial management as well as people management, the CEOs need adequate AI literacy. It is not about understanding in detail about AI, but knowing what AI changes he wants to bring in the organization to make that organization future relevant. AI technology is some kind of disruption, and that requires change across the organization and also change in workforce. Therefore, the CEO has to have technical literacy of AI, at the same time empathy or people skills to communicate to the employees about developing new skills and laying down the path of learning and developing new skills for them. When the CEO himself or herself is involved in new learning and implementation of AI technology in the organization, then that is a strong motivation to employees also to learn and help in bringing that transformation. Already there is some kind of insecurity, fear, anxiety among the employees, also among the CEOs who don't understand or are not willing to understand AI technology. Therefore, the CEO, the future CEOs will have to learn about artificial intelligence, understand what it can do for the organization and what is the best way to implement that technology within the organization so that he can achieve the present revenue results, at the same time facilitate this transformation in the organization so that organization remains relevant. Therefore, the CEO will be most important person, and the organizations will look for this change at the top before bringing the change in the organization. Therefore, the main challenge, main skill that CEOs will learn or need to learn today is AI literacy and knowledge about AI agents and what they can do and how these agents will be useful across all functions in the organization. Because tomorrow digital labor is going to drive the productivity of the organization. The organization's productivity and efficiency will increase significantly because of digital labor. The challenge is how to make use of this digital labor to achieve that productivity level and outstanding customer experience. And the starting point for all this is having a data or data integration or having the data on single platform. That is the key. Without having the data on single platform, you cannot implement AI agents or digital labor to give you right decisions or high productivity. Therefore, the future CEOs will transform themselves into both high tech and as well as the soft skill of connecting with the people and guiding them, helping them to bring the change within the organization.